Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can easily activate the page that you have just deleted in your Facebook account. First of all, you will have to go to the Facebook app. After you go to the Facebook app, on the top right corner you will see three-line menu button. You will have to click on it. Then you have to click on pages here. After click on pages, you will see below the option called deactivate pages. This is the page that I have deleted. So to activate this, I will click on activate. Then click on activate page again. You can see that page is getting activated. You can see that page is activated. Like this you can activate any of your page. I hope this video worked for you and you liked the video. Thanks for watching this video.